today we're got beautiful weather and we're working on getting this beautiful 2-bedroom 1-bath house onto its property, onto the lot. So you're seeing the guys working on framing out the concrete form, the form for the concrete pad, and they've got the forms for the piers. So let's go around this deer and see it from this angle. Pretty awesome. Finally, it's a little bit better weather. We've had a lot of wet weather, rain, snow, and we're getting predictions of snow again for Friday. Yikes! So we're working as furiously as we can. This is very exciting. So stay tuned. Let me see if I can go from this angle. Look how careful he is to wheel the little machine around. Very cool. These guys are pros. Oh, this is great. Before you know it, there'll be a beautiful new house here. Take a look at from this angle. One house at a time, one family at a time. Stay tuned.